Hi everybody, and thank you for stopping by to take a look at how to start an Amazon store on a tight budget. My name's Theo MacArthur, and before I say anything else, I want to let you know that I'm just an ordinary person, but through trial, error and persistence, I found a way to utilize a very well-known online platform to create an excellent income. Now, I've been selling on Amazon since the spring of 2013. But prior to that, I'd never sold any physical products online. I was not new to online business, but I hadn't sold any physical products. I'd only been selling digital products. Now today, I have multiple listings making sales every single day on Amazon. The income that I generate from this venture is a lot more than I ever expected to earn. And through this course, I'm going to help you to do the same. Here's a quick look at some of my earnings, and as you can see, earnings have increased over time. I also want to point out the buy box percentage here. You can see that I have the buy box 100% of the time. If you don't know what a buy box is, don't worry, because you will learn this in the course. But most sellers are competing for the buy box, and they only have it a certain percentage of the time. Unit session percentage is another thing I want you to take a quick look at here. This means the number of people, so the number of Amazon shoppers who visit my listing pages and make a purchase. It's almost 1 in 4. So it's around about 25%, and this is much higher than the average, and you will learn how to do this in the course. Now originally, this course was released in 2015. In 2017, the entire course was rebuilt and recreated from the ground up. And since then, it's been continually updated and continues to be updated through 2018 with new material added all the time. This is the selling blueprint with a difference. But why is it different? Well, I believe that you're not going to find this wealth of information, this type of powerful information anywhere else for such a low cost. It is based 100% on experience. It is not theory based at all. It also allows you to get started on a very small budget, and importantly, it teaches you how to avoid the very common pitfalls and mistakes that so many new sellers make. And it's complete. It covers every single step that's required to get you earning a regular bi-weekly income on Amazon. There are over 60 video lessons, but every video lesson also has a downloadable handout, or virtually every video lesson does. This means you can print them off, you can study them at times when you can't watch videos, and you can use them to refer back to different parts of the course when you need to quickly remind yourself of something. Now, even if you have no experience, zero experience, it doesn't matter. This blueprint is designed for you if you are a total beginner, but it's also designed for you if you are selling on Amazon already, but you're not getting the results that you want. It includes advanced strategies that most sellers are not using and most sellers don't even know exist. And for students joining now, you have a great advantage because we have extensive FAQs compiled from student feedback, thousands of active students. Now, what this means is that every question that you have, the answer is going to be right there at your fingertips. And if not, you can ask on the Q&A board, because we are in there every day, myself or my assistants, answering your questions. And also, inside the course, you're going to find some bonuses. We have niche and product research done for you. That's a 20-page download, and the 9 secrets of the top 1% of Amazon sellers. Get inside the mind of these sellers who are turning over millions of dollars in sales. Know what makes them tick. Know what they are doing on a daily basis and what they are not wasting their time on. But let's just backtrack for a second. Why should you sell on Amazon at all? What's so special about Amazon? Why not sell somewhere else? Well, Amazon is doing billions of dollars in sales every year, but that doesn't really matter to us. What matters to us is that 40% of those sales are coming from third-party sellers. That is us, people like you and I. The growth is incredible. Amazon has been growing year on year, and top analysts are forecasting that it's just going to keep on growing and growing. What's more, there are more sellers now reaching $1 million in sales per year than there ever has been before, so the timing is perfect. But a reality check. A lot of new sellers do struggle to make profits. Many will lose money in the process, and ultimately a lot of sellers just give up. They move on, perhaps to the next shiny object, or they just decide to give up completely and stay where they are. Now, this is a shame because the opportunity is still wide open and it's getting bigger. For sellers who know how to do it the right way and have access to the right knowledge and the right training. Now, you want to follow in the footsteps of the sellers who are making $100,000 plus per year in profits. You don't want to follow in the footsteps of the sellers who are only making a little bit or no money at all, and that's 90% of the sellers. So I'm going to show you how to do the opposite of that 90%, but I'm going to show you in a way that other courses and guides do not show you. This is a take you by the hand, step-by-step blueprint showing you exactly what you need to do. Nothing is left out and nothing is left to chance or guesswork. And the reason this course is so in-depth is because before I started as a seller, I thought it wise to invest in my own education. And in fact, I spent $5,000 on that. But there were vital things missing and not covered in the courses that I studied. And these vital missing things, they cost me money and they cost me precious time. This doesn't need to happen to you. This is not going to happen to you because this course is based on experience, 100% in-depth experience. None of this course is based just on theory, and it's bang up to date with all the latest techniques, all the latest tips and tricks to help get you into profit quickly. So go ahead and enroll and start your journey to profits as an Amazon seller. You're covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you've got nothing to lose but everything to gain. And I hope to see you on the inside.